Hi, my name's Norman Drankshaw with the Sea Dog line, and today I'm going to show a folding rope ladder. Rope ladders are nice because they're very compact, relatively inexpensive, and they're easy to deploy. Like anything, you want to practice this on a beautiful, wonderful day that's sunny and easy to get in and out of the boat. And that's a better way to do it rather than an emergency situation. Rope ladders are nice. Here it is in its stored position. Pull it down, attach it on the boat. A lot of times when you put it on the side of a hull, you put your toe in it and it goes forward this way or goes under the boat. If you put your foot sideways on this and use it as the ladder goes this way as you pull yourself up, it's much easier on your toes and easier to get out of the water. Again, we make this in 3 different sizes, 3, 4, and 5 tread models. If you have any other questions, you can always check it out at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there.